Hello everyone, welcome to solve this very nice radical equation. Square root of 7 power x plus 7 power 6 divided by 7 power x plus 7 squared is equal to 7. And we are interested to find x. Let's come to the solution. First of all, squaring on both sides. Square root of 7 power x plus 7 power 6 divided by 7 power x plus 7 squared whole squared is equal to 7 squared by squaring on both sides. So here this square root and square cancel each other, and 7 power x plus 7 power 6 divided by 7 power x plus 7 squared will be left is equal to 7 squared. Now by doing cross multiplication we get 7 power x plus 7 power 6 is equal to 7 squared multiplied by 7 power x plus 7 squared. Now 7 power x plus 7 power 6 is equal to, multiplying 7 squared with 7 power x we get 7 power x multiplied by 7 squared plus 7 squared multiplied by 7 squared we get 7 power 4. Now moving this 7 power x from left hand side to right hand side, and here we were left with 7 power 6 is equal to 7 power x multiplied by 7 squared plus 7 power 4, and this will be negative in this side 7 power x. Now moving 7 power 4 from right hand side to left hand side, and this will become 7 power 6 minus 7 power 4 is equal to 7 power x into 7 squared minus 7 power x. Now by taking common from left hand side we can factor out 7 power 4, and inside the bracket here 7 squared will be left minus 7 power 4 which we have taken it common, and here 1 will be left is equal to, in the right hand side we can factor out 7 power x. So inside the bracket here 7 squared minus 1 will be left. So now 7 power 4 and here 7 squared which is 49 minus 1 is equal to 7 power x into 7 squared 49 minus 1. Now 7 power 4 into 49 minus 1 we get 48 is equal to 7 power x 49 minus 1 we get 48. Now dividing both sides by 48, this 48 and 48 cancel out each other, and here we were left with 7 power 4 is equal to 7 power x. Or we can write this as 7 power x is equal to 7 power 4. Now by using an algebraic identity, if we have a power m is equal to a power n, then we can write this as m is equal to n. So here this 7 and 7 is equal to 7, so x is equal to 4. Here x is not equal to minus 1, 0 and 1. So we have proved that x is equal to 4. Now let's verify that whether this value of x is valid or invalid. Now by using the value of x here, this will be square root of 7 power 4 plus 7 power 6 divided by 7 power 4 plus 7 squared, whether it is equal or not equal to 7. Now square root of, we can take 7 power 4 as a common from numerator, and inside 1 plus 7 power 6 from which we have taken out 7 power 4 and 7 square will be left. Divide by, from the denominator we can factor out 7 squared, and here 7 squared plus 1 will be left, whether it is equal or not equal to 7. Now square root of 7 power 4 into 1 plus 7 squared, which is 49, divide by 7 squared into 7 squared, which is 49, plus 1 is equal or not equal to 7. Now 49 plus 1 we get 50, and here 49 plus 1 we get 50. So 50 and 50 cancel out each other, and here 7 power 4, when we move 7 squared from denominator to numerator, it will become 7 power minus 2 whole square root is equal or not equal to 7. Now when the bases are same, then their power will be added. So 4 minus 2 we get 2 square root is equal to 7. Now square root and square cancel out each other, and here we were left with 7 is equal to 7. So we have proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence our value of x, which is 4, is valid for this expression. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe this.